Your favorite jeans can ruin the luxury of your leather seats. Dyes from clothing can easily transfer and stain leather. Daily use, like getting in and out of your car, can wear down the top coat and leather paint over time. Exposure to sunlight and UV can wreak havoc on leather, leading to loss of flexibility, hardening, cracking, and fading. Solvent-based ceramic coatings come with drawbacks. They contain skin irritants, microparticles, solvents, and have an unpleasant odor. Introducing Repel, the ultimate solution for long-term leather seat protection. It's a water-based, odorless hybrid polymer designed to be flexible, breathable, and create an energy-absorbing barrier. When unfixed dyes from clothing come into contact with Repel, they lose energy. Repel halts their movement and relaxes them. Repel is incredibly flexible, functioning like a second skin to safeguard leather from friction and abrasion damage. Repel's integrated UV filter minimizes surface degradation, shielding against sunlight and UV damage, such as loss of flexibility and microcracking. Elevate to Repel. It's not just a leather coating, it's an innovation.